What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can add Aptos network to Trust Wallet. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. We will open up our Trust Wallet. This is how the Trust Wallet will look like. Here, you just have to log in with your account. So I'm just going to quickly enter my password. Now, after doing that, this is what you will be able to see. Here, to add your custom network, you just have to click on this switch network. And in the switch network, click on manage network. In the manage network, you just have to search for host. If you can't find any, just simply select on add custom. After selecting on add custom, just add the app first. After that, you just have to go to Google and simply search for all the things. So search for Aptos RPC URL. So it's the Aptos RPC URL. If you search for that, the website will pop up. Just go to the first page and there you go. You will get all the details. Just use these URLs. As you can see, this is the URL. Just use these URL. You'll be able to find the chain ID as well. You'll be able to find the token symbol and then block explorer, which is optional, and you have all of this thing right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to add the Aptos crypto change to your Trust wallet. Hope you guys find this video helpful.